So guys, yesterday I got a pedicure and also got my nails done. They kind of look so cute, guys. I want to cut off my hair and I'm super scared. Here is my husband helping me to upload the video. Hey guys, so welcome to today's vlog. It's been so long since I did a vlog. If you happen to be new, my name is Joan Katheu. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave. Yeah, so what are we gonna do? Like I have like a lot for you. Yeah, so let's get into it, guys. Yesterday I got a pedicure and also got my nails done. They kind of look so cute, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you that in a few because I don't think if nikiweka hivi nitaweza kuona poa, but anyway. So we came to visit my mom-in-law and say goodbye to some of the family members that were traveling. Yeah, so sai tuko home, tuko hapa tumechill. And of course I want to upload my videos around 1 p.m. So I kind of want to upload the video to be up by 2. Yeah, so let's do that, guys. So this is the color I went with for my nails. It's pinkish, but not that not like the loud pink. It's like a settled pink. I don't know if you guys can see it like clearly. I got this color. This is what, guys? This is green, lime green. Okay, this is green. Kinda love it. I don't know why my toes nakan kama zimefura, but ziko sawa, ziko sawa. So guys, there is my husband helping me to upload the video. Yeah, so please make sure to check it out, guys. So guys, about now I want to fold my laundry using mob. I'm gonna show you in a few, but at the moment I'm trying to watch the Last Man series. I don't know how many of you have come like across it. It's just an amazing series and I would recommend you watch it because wow, manze, it's insane, like insane. So let's do that as I watch my series. Oh my god, just pray for me to get done with it because it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. Hey guys, so this is after 2 weeks. I know nimekaa sana bila vlog, but right now I'm going to the salon to undo my hair and give it a good wash, and after that I'll go to fix my nails. Niko na 2 chipped nails, nataka ni fix that, and then later on I'll go visit my mom-in-law. Yeah, so at the moment I'm just waiting for my boda ndo niende. So guys, I'm finally back home. I got my hair washed and maybe I didn't make it to the nail artist lady because alikuwa ame travel. So guys, I'm thinking of cutting my hair. I know it's something that has been just lingering in my mind, and I want to give it like a thought to be okay with it because I hate regretting. I'm not actually feeling my hair and I feel like I want to explore, to dye it, I want to cut it, nataka ni try something different. Like I feel like I've been like playing so safe. I'm just bored with my hair, guys. I have a very sensitive skull, so like mi choose nitasonga style gani juu kuna styles zingine zenye zokwa like kinda painful to me. Like when I say it's painful, you kwa painful sana. So I'm just like, why not cut it for a while and ikimia nitarudi tu kusonga tu. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so scared, you guys. Nikinyukata hii nywele alafu nianze kuitamani sijui, I don't know, but it's here. Itaitamea tu hata kama nini. I'm thinking of doing a simple skincare routine. It's been a while since I did one. Yeah, so I think I will just steam, cleanse, apply my vitamin C, and then moisturize. Yeah, see you then, guys. This is the next day, and I know yesterday I promised you guys to do a simple skincare routine. So I was to do that yesterday, but I was kind of tired and I decided to do it today. But actually just from napping, and I think this is like the best time to do that. Yeah, so it's super simple, like nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Yeah, so let's do that, guys. So I'll start by cleaning my face. Yeah, and then I'll use this Garnier cleansing foam, this, yeah, that. And then I'm gonna use this facial scrubber to just scrub my face. Actually, it's been a while since I did this, like, and I remember that I mentioned that I'm gonna steam my face. Actually, you guys, I don't have the energy to do that. Like, I feel kind of lazy. I can't do that today. So the machine has 3 intensity levels. We have low, and then we have high. Okay, focus please. I feel so lazy. Like nowadays, I don't know, I can't say. I'm kind of too lazy. So I'm just putting myself on the mirror. I think you guys can see inside of the mirror. Yeah. So guys, if you want to get yourself the facial scrubber, I got it from Jumia, and I think it was less than 1,000 bob. I can't remember the exact amount, but I know it was less than 1,000 bob. And for the cleanser, you can also get it from Jumia. Yeah, so get yourself some, guys. I just love to use the soap and wash my face, and after that I take my towel and pat my face dry. And then I told you that it's not like something complicated. For those who use toner, I think this is the moment where you apply your toner, but actually you see now I'm just going right in with my vitamin C. My face feels so smooth, you guys. Like, it feels so smooth. Okay. And then after that, I go in with my moisturizer. Can you guys like see the name? Inakaa hivyo. Actually, you guys mnaona inaisha na aka kachupa. It's very costly, like ona hivyo kadogo, but very expensive. What you apply on your face, guys, you need to take it down on your neck too. You guys, unaona hiyo glow? Hey. My face is glowing. I'm glowing. So the last thing is just applying my lip balm. Yeah, and I'm done. Like this is my kind of skincare routine when I'm in a hurry, like I want to do something super quick. That is what I do. But if you guys want like a detailed skincare routine, please let me know on the comment section and I'm gonna do that for you. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Oh my god, you guys, I'm glowing. Wow, just look at that skin. Wow, I'm glowing. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one, guys.